The year 2025 has been rated as one of the worst years for the observance of human rights in Kenya. In its NDR report, the independent medico-legal unit IMLU says the country, which is now classified amongst the repressed states, has witnessed right abuses perpetrated by government security agents, where nearly 100 people fell victim to extrajudicial killings. IMLU's report also paints a grim picture of the year, documenting an alarming rise in state repression and the systematic shrinking of civic space in Kenya's democracy. Brenda Wanga has that report.
The report from IMLU, released on the International Human Rights Day, indicates that Kenya is now listed on the unenviable list of repressed states as far as human rights and democracy is concerned. IMLU says Kenya have suffered a wide range of human rights abuses this year.
Kenya experienced a disturbing rise in 1. State repression, oppression of citizens, and suppression of voice. Excessive use of force, targeted attacks on civil society, on journalists, on activists, on human rights defenders.
According to IMLU, the rights abuses registered included 97 extrajudicial killings, 18 deaths in custody, 72 cases of torture or ill treatment, 49 protest-related injuries, 1,500 arbitrary arrests, and 5 enforced disappearances.
So if you're shot from the back, you're honestly not attacking. You're not a risk to the person who's shooting you at that point. And remember the Public Order Management Act. The de-escalation when you're managing protests, you only use lethal weapons or even non-lethal weapons when you are at risk.
Those cases of abuses have also caught the attention of the Chief Justice, who now calls for government agencies to uphold the law and obey court decisions.
If all Kenyans are to enjoy the freedoms our Constitution guarantees, we must confront these challenges with honesty, courage, and a united resolve, and ask, where is the broken pipeline?
But perhaps more worrying for the actors in the human rights space is the mushrooming and spread of cross-border abductions targeting activists. This year alone, activists like Boniface Mwangi and Bob Njagi of Kenya, Maria Sarungi of Tanzania, amongst others, were either abducted at home or abroad and tortured.
The deportation of foreign and regional human rights defenders illustrates a growing pattern of cross-border intimidation targeting those who speak out against state excesses.
The organization now wants the government to move with speed and strengthen IPOA's investigative and arresting powers to ensure that law enforcement agencies and perpetrators of human rights abuses are held accountable. They also cautioned against what they say is abuse of anti-terror laws, as well as calling for an immediate end to cross-border abductions. Brenda Wanga, Citizen TV.